Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to add a collapsible section in Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Online Store. Find your active theme at the top and click the Edit Theme button. At the very top of the screen, click on the Page drop-down menu and select Products, then click on Default Product. Now, look at the left sidebar menu under the Product Information section. Click on Add Block. From the pop-up list of blocks, look under the Layout section and select Accordion. Click directly on the accordion block to open its settings panel. In the heading field, change the text to something clear for your brand. You can untoggle the Open Row by Default button to keep it neat upon opening the page. You can also click the icon drop-down menu to choose a matching visual. Next, click on the nested text block under your accordion block to open its settings. Type your details and instructions directly into the text box. You can change its format as you like. Once satisfied, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to add a collapsible product description section in Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.